Today is Friday. It is about 2:30. I'm actually getting ready to go pick up the kids, but this morning I got up and kind of just picked up the house, and then I had therapy at 10, so I went to that. That was a really good session. We worked through a lot and it was great. So then after that, I decided to go to Dollar Tree. I've not been there in a while, so I'm going to share with you a Dollar Tree haul. I'm trying not to go to Dollar Tree as much, so I keep like a running list on my phone, and when I get a few things on the list, then I will go. So first, a couple of things. I actually got 2 of each of these, but I like getting these parchment paper sheets and the aluminum foil sheets. They're just easy, and so I got 2 of those because last time I went, they did not have them. So I wanted to make sure and get some. I just love them. They're super convenient. And then I'm waiting for my car to warm up. If you hear my car, I just thought this would be a good time to do this instead of going inside. If you watched my declutter from last week, you know that I decluttered a bunch of my stuff, and so I needed to get some more tongs. So I got a big pair. I got 2 pairs of the little ones, and then I had to get another little basting brush. I want one that is like, that has hairs on it, but obviously the silicone is more sanitary, so we're just gonna roll with that. Next bag, I was so excited to find this. This is the Ultra Foaming Spray in the Ocean Breeze scent. So this is supposed to be a dupe for the Dawn dishwashing, and so I wanted to try it. I didn't even smell it. I just saw it and I picked it, and I was like, you're coming home with me. Oh yeah, it smells good. I think it actually smells better than Dawn, so I'll try it. It can't be bad, right? So I got 2 of them just because I've been looking for them and I have not been able to find them. And I also got some forks and some spoons. I like keeping these on hand mainly for the kids just because they tend to throw away silverware. So if they're going to throw away silverware, it's going to need to be plastic. So I just like to keep it on hand, and then, you know how it goes. This last bag is full of fun stuff. So first, I got each of the kids a prime. This is the Ice Pop. Every time I go to Dollar Tree, I try to get them a prime just because they enjoy it, and it's just something that I can do for them. I'm also painting the countertops today, so I got a little paintbrush. So thought that I might need that. I don't know if I will, but got one just in case. And Dollar Tree paintbrushes are just fine. I mean, they're definitely not something that you can use like over and over again like you would, from Lowe's or whatever. But if you're just wanting to do like a little project, Dollar Tree paintbrushes are just fine. I also got 2 packages of these 2 packs of the quick erasers. I have on my deep cleaning list, which I'm going to get to at some point, but that I want to clean the baseboards and the trim on all the doors and stuff. So these work really, really well. They are very comparable to the Mr. Clean. So I got 2 of those because that is a project that the kids are going to be helping me with. So I wanted to make sure that we could all have one. And then also our shower is coming along, and so I wanted to get one of these soap savers. So basically, because I wash my face with bar soap, and then also like the more intimate areas I use the Dial, the gold one. So the idea is you put your soap on this, and then it saves your soap, and then it's kind of like a sponge, and then whenever the soap runs out, you can use this as a soap, and then you just kind of replace it as you go. So got a 2 pack of those, so I'm excited about that. I don't know why I'm so excited about that, but I guess that's the beauty of being an adult. Last few things, I guess just a couple things. I needed some more of these razors. This is what I use to dermaplane my face. And I just did that last night, and my makeup is looking amazing today. So I just like to keep these on hand whenever I need them. I also am slowly building up my nail kit, and so I got some of these little things. This is for dotting and making like little arts, so I thought that would be cute for my thing. And then I also got this powder puff with case. I don't think I'm going to use the case, but I wanted just a bigger powder puff because that's how I've been putting my makeup on recently, and I really like it, so I got a pink one of those. So I think that is everything. my heated seats are warm now, so I am gonna go and get the kids from their grandma's, and then I'm actually gonna share with you me painting the countertops. I did that earlier, but I'm gonna insert that now.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes? Until winter comes? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder.
It is 10 o'clock on Saturday. So this morning, I put the kitchen back together because we painted that yesterday, and the countertops, I mean, I look so tired today, but I'm actually not, I'm fine. But anyway, we painted the countertops yesterday, got that finished. I let it cure overnight. It just needed one coat of the poly, so I was excited about that, and I think they look fantastic again. So I put the kitchen back together, and so that is all back together. But I just sat down and did a to-do list for today and tomorrow. I like making to-do lists just because it kind of keeps me on track and it keeps me focused of, you know, the things that I want to do. And I just like, you know, having an organization system. So for Saturday, I need to paint the wall in the bathroom. The toilet paper holder came off, or actually I ripped it off, and then the kids like ripped more of the paint. So I mudded that yesterday, and so today I need to sand it down and just paint over it. And then they are going to be installing carpet here in a couple weeks, but I want to go ahead and touch up the paint in Brystal's room because she ripped off her remote holder on her wall and it took the paint with it. And I actually mudded that a long time ago. But I just need to sand it down and paint over that. But also she likes to draw on her walls. So I want to get that covered up and just, you know, get it back fresh, get it looking good again. And then I also want to hang the towel rack in the bathroom. And also I think I have a toilet paper holder that I can install. If not, I will have to order one, for the bathroom, this bathroom, the guest bathroom. We also got a new mailbox because someone hit our mailbox, and so it's actually been hit twice, but the second time it really bent the door, so the door doesn't shut anymore, and so our mail gets wet when it rains and stuff. So I got a new mailbox. It is much sturdier, and it's a lot bigger too, so like when our mail person likes to shove packages in the mailbox, it's a lot bigger. So hopefully it holds up, but I put all the stickers and stuff on it last night, so I need to get that installed. And my kids are going to help me do a little work in the living room today, so I'm gonna clean these spider webs off the ceiling and stuff. There's spider webs. That just happens when you live. And then I also need to replace the plastic on the living room windows. My husband took that off because he thought that he could fix the window. So anyway, I have to reinstall that. And then I also want to wipe the baseboards and the trim in the living room, just because when they put flooring in, I think it'll look a lot nicer if everything is wiped down. And then I also want to do my nails today. I have a whole nail kit that I want to use, so I'll take you along that process. And then I just have noted that we're going to have leftover potato soup for lunch and then tuna mac and cheese for dinner. And then Sunday, I will do whatever I didn't get done today. I'll do that tomorrow, and then I'll share with you my Sunday to-do list. So we are going to go ahead and get started with this day and just see how much we can get done.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, so you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go.
Sunday, it is almost 11 o'clock. I've got my to-do list here. I got a lot done yesterday, but there are a few things that I would like to get done today. So first, I did not do paint in Brystal's room yesterday, so I want to do that today. I also didn't do my nails. I would like to do those today. Just a little bit of food prep here in the kitchen. I've got a couple apples that I'm going to cut up and put in these little containers with some caramel. I've got this caramel sauce that I would like to get used up. And then I also have a full bag of onions that I want to get chopped up and put in the freezer, because if I have chopped onions, I will use them, but if they're not chopped, I just don't have a very good track record of, you know, dicing an onion and using it that way. So I also want to organize my nail bag. I organized it a little bit ago, but it's not really working for me, and I've gotten more stuff, so I need to figure out a different way. I also want to organize my makeup bag. So I got a makeup bag for Christmas from Temu, but the way that it's set up is really not working for me. And I mean, I've still been doing my makeup every day besides, you know, on the weekends, but I've not really been wanting to do my makeup because of the setup of my bag. So I'm going to kind of revamp that and see if I can figure out something else. I want to declutter my hair tools because I've gotten a few more things, but I'm finding that I'm not really using a few of them. So I want to declutter those, or at least try to use them this week and see, you know, what I want to keep and what I don't. I also have a little laundry I need to put away. I want to clean out my car. Mama. What, baby? I don't know if any car washes are open this time of year, but I'm going to try to go find a car wash because my car is disgusting from all the snow and stuff. And it's going to be a nice day outside. It's going to be like 55. So I want to clean it out, vacuum it out, all that good stuff. And then while I'm in town, I will also get gas. And then I need to pick up Brystal from her Nana's house. I want to vacuum my bedroom just to refresh it because, you know, the contractors walk through my bedroom when they go to the bathroom. And so there's just some stuff that I just want to get vacuumed up. I want to sweep the kitchen, and then I need to fill out my planner and do my February budget. So that's kind of the itinerary today. We're gonna start out in the kitchen and get these apples and onions all chopped up.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Oh, you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're feeling.